There's one thing which has happened in the last 20 years. Housing has been given a very big focus. When Prime Minister Modi came into the picture, we focused on affordable housing and created the PMAY scheme. And the first discussions, I was partner of that, and they were talking about making 1 million houses. 1 million ka liye hum affordable housing karenge, urban areas mein karenge. And suddenly that figure changed from 1 million houses to 1.1 crore houses. And this is within 30 days. Huh? We are sitting in Housing Ministry talking 1 million houses. Then we moved to PMO's office with a joint secretary discussion and became 1.1 crore houses or something close to that. The first decision of the Cabinet of India in the new 3.0, Housing Ministry has declared 3 crore houses affordable to be done. How is it that such things happen? And what do you think is the crux of the thought behind that?
See, it's very important that we know that the leader sitting there is able to completely envision the size and scale of our country. As bureaucrats, we fall short of that vision. Because we work in our departments, we sometimes don't understand So when there is clarity about what has to be done, why it has to be done, how it has to be done, and how it should reach a person, usually in master plans, you have this concept of, you have residential zone, commercial zone, institutional zone, and industrial zone, and hazardous industrial zone. You wouldn't have heard of affordable housing zone. In Ahmedabad master plan, Honorable CM announced the affordable housing zone. Conditional. If you really want to change your land and urbanize it, you better go for 250 to 275 houses per hectare. The result of such a kind of decision and also incentivizing the houses up to 60 square meter or 30 square meter. Only government cannot do, all the work has to be done. It has to be whole of India. It was his decision to say 10% commercial, 90% affordable housing zone. 2.5 lakh affordable houses of 60 square meter or below, and out of which at least 75,000 plus houses are in 30 square meter or below by the private sector. Now, under our government, we also announced 15,000 crore as incentive to states, whoever brings up such schemes. And I'm happy to state, under such schemes by the private sector, last year it was 43,508 affordable housing units were either under construction or completed by the private sector. I think this is a very wonderful kind of vision which emanates from the top. And when that kind of energy comes from the top, at least part of that gets transmitted through the system to the citizens. Yeah, that's the secret, I think.